How to create a high-converting Facebook ad campaign. Step-by-step tutorial. Tired of Facebook ads that drain your budget without delivering results? Let's turn those clicks into customers. Before you even think about creative, nail down your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests, demographics, and behaviors? Use Facebook's audience insights to uncover hidden gems and create laser-focused targeting. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. Visuals are king. Use high-quality images or videos that grab attention and clearly communicate your offer. Write concise, benefit-driven ad copy that speaks directly to your audience's pain points and desires. A strong headline is crucial for stopping the scroll. Don't let a great ad lead to a disappointing landing page. Ensure your landing page is relevant to your ad, loads quickly, and has a clear call to action. Match the messaging and visuals from your ad to create a seamless user experience. Make it easy for visitors to convert. Data is your best friend. Use Facebook Pixel to track conversions and understand which ads are performing best. A/B test different ad creatives, targeting options, and landing pages to continuously improve your results. Don't be afraid to experiment. Ready to unlock the power of Facebook ads? Download our free guide to advanced targeting strategies and start seeing real results today. Click the link in the description to get your copy now.